Well, time to reassemble the phone, and I have to actually stick some parts back together like this. I'm not gonna overdo it with the super glue though. Just I've already glued what I cracked. Just some small dots, that's all. Well, that dot just transformed into a line. Okay, easy does it now. Put it here, let it sink in. Now time to put back the whole frame. Okay. Put this back carefully, not to touch with the glue on the screen. Luckily this plastic isn't painted. I can just go ahead and scrape it out, and it's not even new, it's used, so yeah. A new scratch was the difference. I think I will polish this. Let's leave it dry for a minute. Well, some of the scratches got away. But other than that, everything looks pretty as it should be. It's looking pretty well. Let me just clean my hands now. And the phone, the shell, the front one. That was pretty much it of it. Good. There we go. Back together. Let me check, see, yep, no dust particles inside, good. That's how I like it, dust free. Well, this is pretty much it for the front. Good. Good, let's put the front here. Now for the back. Should I have to put the keyboard back in place? And the other stuff. There we go, looking pretty good. A lot of dirt from inside, and when I say dirt, I mean dirt. Let me check, see, yes, like this. Good. This has to get in here like this. I'll just put the speaker in right now so that I don't forget it. There we go. Good. Yes. Good. To put the screws back together now. Because this phone has two types of screws. Well, you can kind of guess, even if you don't know from where you took them apart, which goes where. Well, this is ready. For instance, there is this type of screw for plastic. Hold up. There is this type of screw that is for plastic. On this phone is this part. Wait, down here, where it's only in plastic. And the other type of screw, well, in Romania we call them metric. I don't know how you call this thread in English, but it goes in metal parts, like the slide. Here and here, and here and here, in the slide actually. And it has these four screws that goes in the slide, and these two that goes in the plastic shell. So yeah, it's not that complicated. Well, time to put in a battery. Hopefully it's the charged one. And to put the battery cover. And I think this would be it. Yep, the buttons work good, the camera button works. And well, here's the phone. It's the best I could do because, well, I worked only with old parts, but hey, they're original. And I think that polishing it, I did a good thing. It gave it a little spark. Well, this is the paint from the back. There's no saving this. Only if you scrape the whole paint off and repaint it, or just let it scrape. Yeah, so let's start it up. Let's see what this little phone has to say. I already like what I'm seeing. Well, of course. Ta-na-na-na-na. Yeah, nice. Like my effect. I think it's in silent mode. Okay. Look how clear those look now. Profiles, general. Let me just make sure that it works. Huh? Okay, it's working fine. Good. Lighting effects. Now that should be interesting. Save. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Nokia 7610S Supernova. Whoosh. Well, it's not in super perfect condition, but it's in good condition now. Perfectly functional. Now, it's a worthy occupant of my showcase. Would you like to see my showcase up until now? You can actually see it on my channel's intro. Well, a part of it. I specially made it, but apparently it's too small. I'm waiting for some body shell parts for some phones, and it should be interesting, the next videos. I hope you like it. Well, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it and find it useful. If you have a phone like this, how many hours has been spoken on this phone? Well, 64 hours. It's not bad. Really not bad. Cool. Okay. So leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more daily videos like this one and some other stuff. I have some plans for the next videos. And well, see you next time. Have an awesome day. I'm feeling super already. Nova.